Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using TweetDeck for managing multiple Twitter accounts. Let's get started. Twitter handles must be managed by its owner to engage and monitor tweets and mentions from different Twitter handles who could be their potential followers or audiences. If your business uses multiple accounts on Twitter, it will need to be monitored closely. Without the help of Twitter tools, your multiple Twitter handles will be accessed from multiple browsers or using a single browser and logging out from each handle to access the other Twitter profiles for your business. TweetDeck will help you schedule your tweets, manage and monitor tweets, messages, mentions, or engagement on each of your multiple Twitter handles by using one dashboard. To use TweetDeck, you can go to tweetdeck.twitter.com and log in with your Twitter account. If you're already logged in with one of your business's Twitter handles, this is how your dashboard will look like. You'll see multiple columns having a home feed, notifications, messages, and trending columns. To add another Twitter account, click this people icon. You will see another column here and the link saying link another account you own. Click on it. You will see this pop-up window telling you that the other Twitter handles that you will link here will have this default Twitter handle as an admin for those accounts. Click Continue. As an admin on this account that you will be adding, you will be able to read tweets from the account's timeline, post, retweet and like tweets from the account, create lists, and you'll have access to their direct messages. Input the username and password, then click Authorize. Now we have added another Twitter handle, and you can see it in this section. To add a column for the added account, click this plus icon. You'll see a pop-up window to choose a column to add. You can add a home column, user, notifications, search, Twitter lists, collection, trending, likes, messages, mentions, followers, and scheduled columns. Let's add a home column to view tweets from the second Twitter handle we have added. Under Your Accounts, click on the second Twitter handle we've added. Then click Add Column. The added column will be seen on the right side. If you want to arrange it close to the home feed of the other Twitter handle, just hold this icon and drag it to this area. Now, it will be easier to view the home feed streams of multiple accounts. If you want to remove a column that you think will not be useful for your monitoring, then choose the column you want to remove. Then click on this icon, and below you will see Remove. Click on it. We have successfully removed a column. As you can see here, it is easier to browse the home feed of multiple handles and like tweets. Having columns to monitor every aspect of your Twitter account will make it easier for you to view them, like the notifications column. We can easily view the Twitter handles that liked, mentioned, or engaged in our tweets. Another feature of TweetDeck that is useful when managing multiple Twitter accounts is the confirmation step. Click the people icon. You can see the confirmation step for each account in this section. Click on it. This will ask confirmation before you send tweets using this account. Let's do the same with the second Twitter account. Click on the next Twitter account, then click on the confirmation step. Now, every time we craft tweets using any of these Twitter accounts, it will disable the tweet button unless we click on the confirmation step checkbox. This prevents the accidental posting of tweets. To post a tweet, click on this icon. You may notice a new column for posting tweets, and you can see it in this section. You can see the From field here. You can choose from one of these accounts on which account this tweet will be posted. When we enabled the confirmation step, you can post a tweet unless you click on this checkbox, Ready to Tweet. If we try to click on the tweet button, you can see that it mentions that you need to check the confirmation step in order to tweet. Let's add an image. Click this Add Image button. Choose the image from your drive and type your caption here. Then add hashtags. As you can see, you won't be able to post this tweet unless we click on the confirmation step checkbox. Now we can tweet this post. You can see in this home feed, the tweet is shown here. You can also monitor the mentions from your competitors. Click on the Add Column icon. Choose Mentions. Then use the search bar to look for your competitor's Twitter handle. Click on the Twitter handle, then click Add the column. The new column will be shown in this section. Now let's move it in the middle of the columns. Now it will be easier for you to monitor the mentions of your competitor. You can also monitor a list of tweets from a group of people or also your competitors. Just add a new column. Then choose to create list. If you have existing lists that you have created before, you will see it in this section. Choose a list. Then add column, or you can create a new list here, and you will be able to create a new list using this pop-up window. Type in a name, then choose if private or public. Then click Save. Now add the members here. From Twitter.com, look for hashtags that your potential customers could use. Then go back to TweetDeck and add the members here. Click the Add icon and add more members. You can also make a list of members in a notepad, then you can copy and paste them here. Then add individually. When you've added all the members on your list, click Done. Now you can see the list for your potential customers here, and you can monitor their tweets in this column. You can easily browse and like their tweets here. You can even schedule your tweet using TweetDeck. Click this icon, then craft your tweet. Below, click the Schedule Tweet button. You'll see here that even if TweetDeck is not running, your scheduled tweets will still be posted. Now set the date and time you want this tweet to be posted. When you're done, you will see the chosen date and time for scheduling your tweet in this button. Now, we have successfully scheduled the tweet. You can even see it here in this column. Using TweetDeck can help your business in monitoring multiple Twitter accounts and engage in real time. You can view multiple accounts in one interface. You can even schedule your tweets using TweetDeck. You can also customize how you want to view different streams by adding columns. The advanced feature of TweetDeck will help you save time in monitoring every aspect of your business's multiple Twitter handles. Now that you know about using TweetDeck for managing multiple Twitter accounts, we can now proceed to the next topic, Twitter automation using TweetPush. I'll see you there.